Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to show you how I'm using my Glaminator from Xyron to decorate some chipboard pieces from Creative Embellishments. So I'm going to be using one of their hashtag sentiments. This is school and some stars, and then also the silver transfer foil from Glaminator. And this is the Glaminator machine, as you see. So what I do, I set it to warm up, so you turn it to the star, and that is for foiling. When it's not ready, it'll be in the orange down here, but right now it is ready, so the check mark with the green, I don't know, the light, there it is, you can sort of see the light. So that tells you when it's ready to go. And then it also comes with the transfer sheet that I'm going to put it in when I run it through. But before I do that, what I'm going to do, this is how I'm going to get the foil to stick to the chipboard pieces, is that I'm going to use my Creative Station Lite, and this is permanent adhesive that I am using in there. I'm just going to take my pieces and run it through. You're going to need to make sure that the side that is the top, like for school, obviously I want it on the top side right here, so I'm going to need to make sure that I'm putting it upside down in there, so that way just the top will get the adhesive on it. Like that. Then I'm going to run the stars through. And then just push down. There's a little blade on the back right here, so you just slide that across, and that cuts it right off. And then just pushing it down into the adhesive, making sure that they're good and stuck. And with the foil, I want to cut pieces that are big enough to go over each one. And I'm just going to peel off each one of these. There you go, so just lay that in there. Okay, so now taking the foil, you're going to want shiny side up and place it onto each one. You can do this without using the Glaminator, of just pushing it on there and then peeling it off, but you don't get as good of coverage as you do when you run it through the actual Glaminator itself. Okay, so now just taking the Glaminator and just running it, pushing it right in there, it'll grab a hold of it and just start sucking it through. Okay, so I let it cool down just a little bit because it is pretty hot when it first comes out of the Glaminator. And just open it back up, and that one already peeled off. You can see there is the school one, all nice and shiny. And there is one of the stars. And one of the other star. So this is just a fun way to decorate your chipboard using the Xyron Glaminator. I am going to make a scrapbook layout. I will put the link up above. I think it'll be up there in that top corner somewhere right now, that you can see how I make the layout using these. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.